Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and the Black Friday deals they have going on. So as you can see, Black Friday deals, Boost Mobile. So it says check out our epic phone and plan discounts. There's a pretty good discount on phones that you can save. As you can see, price drop for an iPhone 13. Usually it does retail for $650. You can get it now for $149.99. So $150, guys. That's an iPhone 13. That's a steal. So let's go ahead and check it out. So if we go ahead and click on it, as you can see, this is the iPhone 13 they're talking about, and let's get into it. So you can see the iPhone 13 from $149.99 says finish, pick your favorite. Hence and color. The only one they have is midnight, which is the black edition, which is cool. They do come in different colors, but the currently only one that they have in stock is black or midnight. Now, the iPhone 13 is still a really powerful phone, guys, especially for a first-time user. It's a great phone, and I think it's for this price, it's a steal. Like I said, I would definitely jump on it. I'm still using an iPhone 12. Believe it or not, I was able to find my iPhone 12, and it still works perfectly fine. Of course, it's not as fast as the iPhone 16 Pro, but still, for an iPhone, not bad. So you can only imagine the iPhone 13 being better. It's even better, of course. So it says how much memory you can get at 128 gigabytes. Like so, you can get for 149.99. You can add the device protection plan, which is $12. But for me, I usually just get Apple Care, to tell you the truth, so I'll decline that. You can keep your number, or you can get a new number. It looks like for this deal, you can do either or, but still, $149, guys, is crazy. So as you can see, you can get it for $149.99. You do have to put this on a $60 monthly unlimited plan. That's what the plan requires. You can pay today, no credit check, no contract, for $630. But as you can see, it says 0% APR for qualifying buyers. If you cancel wireless service, remaining balance on the device becomes due. So I don't know if you know, but this, like I said, this Boost Mobile is prepaid. But as you can see with this deal, it looks like you probably have to put it on a payment plan. That's what it seems. Like I said, it's the first time we're looking at it, but this is what it seems, because it says if you want, you can pay it outright in 630, or you can get a special deal. You do have to put this on a 60 limited plan, and it says 6% APR for qualifying buyers. And if you cancel the wireless service, the remaining balance is due or becomes due. So if you cancel, they will charge you for it. So it does seem a little, a little sus. It does basically seem like it is got to get financed, because at $60 a month, you could honestly go to a major provider, a cell phone provider like Verizon or AT&T or T-Mobile, and probably for $60 a month, you can get probably a 15 or 16, honestly. So I don't know. But like I said, this Boost Mobile, so let's stick with it. This phone does have a 6.1-inch screen, 12 megapixel camera, 19 hours of talk time, and of course, it can get updated to iOS 15. So, or it does come with iOS 15. I believe this one can update to iOS 18, if I'm not mistaken. So, that phone 13, the most advanced dual camera system ever on an iPhone. Lightning fast A15 Bionic chip, a big leap in battery life, durable design, and super fast 5G, and of course a brighter Retina display. Give me one second, guys. I'm just turning on the heater. It's a little cold here in North Carolina, so the wife thinks it's cold, but it's actually pretty warm in here. But you know how it goes. So it says, so here we go. It says a super bright display in a durable design, Hollywood worthy video shooting mode, easy, a lightning fast chip, and a big boost in battery life. So not too bad at all. So as you can see, this phone is 6.1-inch display, water resistant, not waterproof, aerospace grade aluminum edge, ceramic shield, and 5 stunning finishes. Of course, you can shoot videos and movies with it. That's what they show. So it's a really good camera quality. Don't want to get too deep into it, but it does have really good battery life, up to 19 hours of video playback on a single charge. And of course, it does have the A15 Bionic chip, so it's good for gaming or any kind of heavy duty things that your phone might need. So pretty cool, guys. Here's some more specs on it, but let's go ahead and click up here and see what it does. So I would want a new number. You can add to cart. Does tell you. So they do try to push that boost protection. Apple Care is this much. It's $29 per repair and this and that. So, but I'll just click, I'll risk it, and then we can get into seeing what's here. So as you can see, here's more things of it. And of course, we'll have to select a plan. But from what it looks like, we have to get the $60 unlimited plan. This is unlimited talk, text, and data, no contract required. And you do save up to $430 off device savings. So that's where that savings comes from, if you think about it. Hotspot, global talk and text, North American Connect. Monthly taxes are included. It says buy down, pay later available, and this is a 50 gigs of premium plan of data is what you get with this plan. So you will get priority or premium data, should I say, 50 gigs worth. After that, it will be pretty slowed down. So just be worried about that you do get 50 gigs. Of course, you can check out. Here's the phone, everything that's due. So it's $149.99, and the bill is 60. So 209. So let's say 210. You can add another line if you want, but 210 for this deal is not bad at all. That includes the service and the phone, so not bad at all. And then of course this will load. Might take a little bit, but okay, guys. And now that it loaded, as you can see here, it is. You would just put in your information here. As you can see, like I said, there's the phone, the plan, 209.99. Shipping is free, which is great, but you just put your shipping information here and of course your card information, and you would make your own account. So not too bad overall. Like I said, for the phone being priced at 210, I think this is the best deal they have going on so far. So this is the best deal I think you can get. You can also do like the iPhone 12 as well, but the 13 for 150 is the one so far to get. So check it out, guys. More videos come your way, and we'll look at other options for Black Friday deals in the next video. Thanks so much, and have a good day, guys.